Mhm. Guess the movie by song. Hmm. Sino ba mayroon ngayon? Si Mr. Rightsley. Yan na, mayroon pa pala siya. Toka-chan. Uy, 37 si Toka-chan, oh. Hello, welcome to the Korean guy. Sorry, I cannot read your name. By the way, guys, this is my last meetup for today's month. Thank you so much for coming. Really, really appreciate it. Wow, wala na ako ng boses. Uy. Mhm, mhm. Ano yun? Ay, yung conclusion pala. Yun na lang siguro. Conclusion. Yan. Conclusion guys, ang ano natin ng mindfulness. Integrating mindfulness into your daily routines is like planting seeds or well-being that can grow and flourish over time. Ang pag-apply ng mindfulness sa sarili natin sa araw-araw ay may hahay may hilintulad sa pagtatanim sa sarili natin na tinutulungan nating lumaki at lumago pagkatagalan. Just as we water and tend to a plant to help it thrive. Practicing mindfulness regularly can nourish our mental health and overall sense of well-being. At sa bawat pagsaboy natin ng tubig para lalaki at bubunga,